Listen to me, Ciri. It's gonna be winter. You gotta listen and be careful. Some sacrifices you're gonna make to be winter. You gotta read that the sources, the consequences they're gonna do. You gotta hold it to yourself. You can talk to me or talk to anyone else. It's okay. Because being winter is not about what you do in the long run. It's about what you do what's right to help other people, even if they hate you. Because I became a witch a long time ago. I never had family or friends. I was disowned, gone, no loved ones. I know how I feel, Ciri. Because I realized as a kid, don't lose hope. What are you fighting for? I'm here to help you. The train starts tomorrow at noon. Be careful, okay? You gotta prepare yourself before the hunters arrive, okay? And promise me, don't lose yourself in the process.